In this video, we will sign into GitHub Copilot and make sure it's working properly. If you already signed in during the extension installation, this video will help you verify everything is set up correctly. Open Visual Studio Code. First, let's check if you already signed in. Actually, here on my computer, it is showing signed out. You can check here at the account section, and then you can also check here whether you have logged into any accounts or not. So we'll use sign in to use AI features, and then we can click on continue with GitHub. So it automatically takes you to the web browser which was already opened on your computer, or you can copy paste the link provided after clicking this continue with GitHub account. Either way it works. So let me click on this continue with GitHub. So it got opened in my browser, and here you will see authorize Visual Studio Code. From the options below, choose which account you would like to authorize this app. So I have only one account on this GitHub account and on this browser, so I'll click on continue. So as I have logged in to this account before and authorized it, so it got automatically authorized and has been successfully integrated. So if it is not the case, it will take one or two more steps, maybe asking you to verify your email ID and other steps like to authorize Visual Studio Code access to your GitHub account. Other than that, this is very simple login step. Once you have logged in, you can see here on the right side, so it is showing Claude, and also it is showing this GitHub Copilot icon, and without warning sign, if this is visible, we can simply think that we have logged in. You can also check here on the account section. See, previously when we have started this is not there, the GitHub, and also you can see here sign out. If you have already logged in, you can sign out from here, and you can log in again by clicking on here the way I have shown in this video. So I hope this is helpful. If you have not logged in before, and if you have faced any issues with logging with GitHub Copilot, let's verify Copilot is working. So if the chart is not opened, you can close it and you can press Ctrl Shift I. I suggest you to remember shortcuts and practice. It saves lot of time and mouse uses. So you can type here, hello can you help me with write code and build projects. Yes, I can help you with write code and build projects. I can write code in many programming languages: Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C++, etc. Build complete projects from scratch, debug and fix issues, explain code and concepts, refactor and optimize existing code, create files, edit code, and run commands. So awesome, we are done. So in the next video, we will sign into Zira and connect with VS Code. Hence, GitHub Copilot is now signed in and ready to help us generate code. In the next video, we will connect VS Code to Jira. See you there.